Alright guys, Dustin here, and today we have my cold steel big bore blowguns. Now we actually sell these at Marksman Camp, but we can't ship them, sorry. But if you're local, hit me up. But this is the 625 version, shoots all sorts of different darts, not those cheesy needle ones that you're used to. A lot of fun. I popped a balloon out to 50 yards. You can go see that video. It's long and it's old, but it's there, and I'll show you how to shoot because that's cool too. But today we're just taking it a step further because I wanted to see how fast we can make a blowgun go. So we got the chronograph set up over there, but also we have a contraption of sorts. So right here we have, well, the Kopfjäger Reaper rail to hold it in place. And then with all these different light mounts and mess, we are now laser guided. But big whoop, anybody can put a laser on their blowgun. But can you blow with the power of 120 feet per second? No, PSI, pounds per square inch. So that's what we're gonna do today. Make sure you check out our sponsor, Olight, who from December 12th through 16th is having another flash sale up to 50% off, 15% off site-wide, and then it's the launch of their new Odin GLM. GL for green laser, M for M-Lock. Ignore my keyboard. The Quick Connect makes it quick and easy to put it on anything you'll want. 1500 lumens and a green laser, and with the remote tape switch, USB recharging port, all that cool stuff. What we're going to use this for today is slap it on our blowgun so we have a nice fine aiming point. So check it out. Link is down below. Let's shut up and shoot. Before we get started and go into craziness, we need to have a control, and that is see how fast we can normally blow. So if I got pretty good lungs, never smoke. Don't smoke, kids, that's nasty. But it lets me shoot 50 yards with these things. Let's see how fast we can shoot if our chronograph will work. 96. I've gone over 100 before, maybe 110. Let's try. Error. We're gonna have to go with 96. So we'll average 100 feet per second out of a regular blowgun. So of course I'm thinking once we go, so we're about 1 inch. Once we go into the air compressor one, yeah, everything's about 1 inch. That was an even 1 inch in. It's gonna be deeper. So that's our benchmark besides 100 feet per second. Sticking it in and try to keep as steady as possible as I throw this lever. I tried to put the lever downstream with the rest of the air hose so it wouldn't jerk the trigger, but we lost some velocity earlier. I don't even remember, that was a while back. Here we go. 617. I didn't expect to go that fast. That's pretty crazy. Let's go again. Laser sight's gonna help. Pretty accurate. 817. That's crazy fast. I wonder if that's accurate. That's stupid. I mean, 200 more feet per second and we're supersonic. Okay, we lost the cone of the dart. It went so fast. 362 feet per second. Keep reaching into my hoodie instead of my pocket. Okay, this cone was bent. That's not going to go that great. 359. That's much more believable, is in the 300 to 400 range. 890. That's insane. Let's see how deep they went. So we are about 3.5 inches in. Yeah, so right where my thumb is when I'm pulling them out. Yeah, 3.5 inches. So we're going 3 times plus, so 350% deeper. That's cool. Let's try a different dart. All right, we're going to use these mini broadheads now. They're going to be more consistent because you're not at the mercy of bamboo grain. The cone came off. 406 feet per second. All right. 318 and the dart disappeared into the target. One more because they're like disappearing. Oh my. 270, but let's go see what happened at the end. There's metal somewhere in there. Wow, that's some major depth. What else can we do? We have some soda cans, and we're gonna use the stun darts on them. Now, stun darts are pretty serious business still. They will dent a car door, they will draw blood. Don't ask me how we know. I feel like it's kind of a bazooka. This could be cool. If it hits. Sweet! Sweet! It ripped right into it, and I don't know where the dart went. We may have to pull out the high-speed camera and keep doing mess like this. We have the razor-sharp darts. We got Bill up there. You're gonna ask the question, what would it do to you if you shot a test subject? We'll just call it like that. It went all the way through because the dart came out. We'll go see with the cap. All right, that's where it went in. Orange cap got pushed out. I don't think it came out the back. There it is. Hang in there, Bill. This is sanitary, I promise. There we, oh man. So if that was, oh man, I mean, it was almost poking out the back. That's crazy. What if he was wearing soft armor? We've tested this out before. Let's see if this Kevlar will stop a dart. Y'all place your bets in the comments. Will this broadhead dart go through Kevlar soft armor? That's 3A rated, stops 500 Smith & Wesson, all the handgun rounds, shotgun, all that good stuff. I'll say yes. I'll say yes because this is just brutal. Oh, I think it did. This is just brutal. Oh, I think it did. The cap came off, and unless it just bounced away, oh, so it slowed it down enough, but it sliced right through soft armor. Oh my gosh. Let's do it again. Got the high-speed camera out for the doubters, myself included. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you saw the cone. This is cool. So the cone went away. Oh, you can see the trail this time. Oh my goodness, this was perfect. We showed that before, and it ripped it a good inch. That's wild. It wouldn't. Okay, and I see such a streak. It makes me wonder. There it is. You can. So it's easier to pull it out the back this time. That's got to be it, dude. So not only did it go through Kevlar twice, it's going almost all the way through a torso. That's insane. That is mad. And just, wow. Okay, so say, I mean, it's nothing to do bad about the panel because you can cut a panel. A crossbow or something would go through it just the same. The way these work is it smashes the lead out of the bullet, which is why it won't stop a steel core because it punches. And so, since all handgun rounds are lead, this would stop any handgun round, but the dude with the air compressor and a blow dart, not so much. Can we set off a Firebird target? I'm not sure, but we're gonna try it anyway. Firebird 65, they have the smaller face. I've been able to set off a cracked bio. I had to hit it twice, but I set it off with a regular stun dart once, and I was really close that day. Or was that the Tomahawk one? You have to go back and check my memory. We're gonna see if it'll stick to Bill. What'd you say, right here? That's a nice flat spot. But the problem is, okay, these work best like the package says. Steel, it's going to be the loudest. Wood, not so much. It needs a solid back, so this may have so much cush that it doesn't set it off. But I want to see what it does to the ballistic gel. We'll probably just char it, but this is how we find out. So if you're wondering why we have 2 hoses, we have 2 tanks hooked up to it to get maximum pressure and flowage. Stun dart, got the laser. This is small though. This may take a time or two. It's a little close. You're supposed to be 30-ish, 50-ish feet away. I'm almost hoping, hold on. Okay. Just gotta get ready. 3, 2. We missed. That's good. But we impaled Bill, which is awesome, with a stun dart. Guys, this is a stun dart. There is no... That's legit stuff right there. Actually, maybe if I could, well, I can't even. Okay, that's some major force. That's some major force. We'll have to, well, it may stick or we'll have to tape it up. Okay, it'll stick. It'll stick. Let's do it again. I'm gonna use my foot loop this time. It's an anchor. So when you're shooting, you can hold your gun down as well. So anyway, it's like, let's get a little more steady. 1 stun dart is in. Makes me wonder now, what if we shot several at a time? All right, we were low last time, so let's keep it here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we hit the Firebird and the dart came back. 2, 1. Oh! Oh, we hit the Firebird. Yeah, we nicked it. So, oh man, we got to do that again. I'm scared. I had my eyes closed. I don't know what happened. We nailed it though. Let's go check it out. You're supposed to have 900 feet per second. Of course, we're not 900 feet per second. So I guess that's important, but that's some crazy stuff right there. I'm actually glad it didn't happen because that was a little too close for my comfort. All right, so we found out you can penetrate body armor with a big bore blowgun. If you want one of these, I found a few on Amazon. I can't ship them, they're too long, but I'll put the link down below. And if you want some Firebird targets, head over to Top Shot Dustin. Hey, head over to Top Shot Dustin anyway and get on the email list. Thanks for watching today, guys. Okay, I love you, bye-bye. Did you see that? We good? Come on, Nussie. Come on, Nussie. Yeah. I came in like a wrecking ball. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah.